if I can open it. So this is the size of the box, kind of thin and long. Already smells good. Caution, keep away from children. It is open. It's leaking. So this is how it arrived. The thing is, it didn't leak through the box or onto a box to a point where it like seeped through. So hopefully we didn't lose too much, but still that's not exciting. And that's what we got. The bottle itself isn't broken. I'm guessing it wasn't just tight enough, but let me take a look again. So this cap was tight because it took me a second to unscrew it. I don't know if there is a crack anywhere here because it's kind of odd that it had leaked when it was super tight on there. So we have this cute cap to go on there so it looks more presentable. Okay, that's as far as this piece goes. It doesn't go any further. I feel like if I try to push it further, it's gonna crack. And this is fine. And, so we have 8 pieces of reeds. So one tip, if you don't want this to evaporate as fast, you put less of these reeds. If you want to smell more of this, you put more of these. In our case, well, I'll put all of them and we will enjoy. We got cashmere vanilla and it smells good. I love it.